people keep loving the bread. Don't let no dang seasoning in their head. Tahini, honey powder, garlic, pepper too spicy. Put some salt and gravy on that, it's alrighty. So get up off your bone and start dancing to this song. Cause white people and the dance floor never belong. They're too busy eating bread from where they're from. White people kiss each other's butts. Look, I would know, cause I kinda am one. And white people kissing bed real rough. Big burly muscles on dudes, yeah, they really tough. Cabinet doors, white people, they never shut. They get distracted by Facebook on their phones and don't look up. Thinking about posting a meme that made them chuck. White people really be posting, live, laugh, and love. White people, kitchens filled with bread. Man, the walls are lined with it, top from toe to head. In the cold, white people noses red. Rudolph looking, got me all chuckling. So get up off your bone and start dancing to this song. So get up off your bone and start dancing to this song. White people keep loving the bread. Don't let no dang seasoning in their head. Tahini, honey powder, garlic, pepper too spicy. Put some salt and gravy on that, it's alrighty. White people be farting up in here real bad and stinking up the house with the big and smelly shats. Some white people, yeah, they big and fat. They all be good though, yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. White people own 10-gallon aquariums. Bought a big glass box, thought about marrying. White people be driving chariots. Now they part of the bourgeoisie and proletariat. I love white people so much. They make funny Facebook posts and do stuff. I like white people so much. I really, really love it when they show me their butts. So get up off your bone and start dancing to this song. So get up off your bone and start dancing to this song. White people keep loving the bread. Don't let no dang seasoning in their head. Tahini, honey powder, garlic, pepper too spicy. Put some salt and gravy on that, it's alrighty. that it's